Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove Crosshair X extension. Right, as you can see here, I'm currently running the extension for Xbox Game Bar. Now to remove it, all you gotta do is just go ahead over to your start menu, right click on it and click on installed apps. And if you don't have this option, just go ahead over to search. Now type down add or remove programs right here. Click on it. Now gotta find Crosshair X extension. And if you can't find it, just type down at the search bar, extension. Here we have Crosshair X. So just click on three dots. Now gotta click on uninstall, uninstall, wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, close this one and go ahead and check it out. Windows+G, and now it's gone. There you have it. Now, once that's done, once you removed your Crosshair X extension, you would need to open up Crosshair X, okay? As we would need to change the display mode, okay? Instead of Xbox Game Bar, we would need to select the standard one. I'm going to go ahead and show you right here. Go to display modes and just use a simple overlay mode. There you go. All right. That's how simple it is to remove your Crosshair X extension. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.